This is a unique talk show that talks about controversies, lifestyle, issues in and out of the country. This is Let's Talk.
It's another brand new week on a talk show that talks about controversies, issues, and lifestyle. I am Derick Gonzales. Welcome to Let's Talk. Mga kaibigan, recently po ay may nagbukas dito sa Vegan ng isang consultancy or a recruitment agency, we call it, sa pangalan po ng AAMAC. At ngayon nga po ay minabuti po ng Let's Talk na imbitahin natin ang mga namumuno doon para malaman natin ano nga ba mga services, paano ito makatulong sa mga Ilocano at ano ang pwede nating asahan sa kanilang opisina. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk to first, we have the head consultant for Philippine operations. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Dr. Elise Aguilar. Good morning, Dr.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, good day too. And syempre, kasama rin po natin dito ang CEO ng AAMAC. No other than, we have Mr. Francisco Alegre. Hello, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Welcome to Let's Talk. Thank you so much for dropping by. First, ito kagad, AAMAC. Parang parang eroplano. Could you just tell us all about AAMAC? Ano ang AAMAC, Mr. Francis?
AAMAC is the brainchild of my daughter, Aileen Acosta Alegre. The M was a merchandising idea word. And I'm at a loss to make an explanation.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know that my daughter has some instinct of merchandising. In fact, she started with exotic furniture, Philippine wood,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
to the US. She made two successful, profitable shipments there.
Wow, wow.
That could have sparked her spirit to go further and form this corporation, AAMAC, International Consultancy. So she convinced me to pull our meager resources together and put up this office. So there.
Yun, it's AAMAC.
Yeah.
Pero AAMAC, ano ba talagang AAMAC? It's all about what? It's all about employment? It's all about recruitment, Doktora?
AAMAC, just to clarify all misconceptions, we are a consultancy company. We are not the recruitment or a placement agency, just to make that clear. We provide expert advice and guidance to Filipinos who are interested in immigrating to Canada, looking for jobs. But we are not specifically involved in looking for an employer for our applicants. But we will be involved on that aspect up to a certain degree. Maybe just give them useful tips and advice and guidance on how to find an employer when they get to Canada or prior to their arrival in Canada.
Yes. Pero Doktora, before that, i-differentiate muna natin because you said you are a recruitment agency. You are not a placement o di kayo ang nagbibigay ng trabaho. Pero may recruitment na ginagawa. So gusto ko muna malaman, let's differentiate the word recruitment or the placement agency.
Okay. Basically, recruitment agencies and placement agencies, that's the same.
The same.
We are not those agencies. We are a consultancy company or consultancy services firm. Like I said, let me reiterate, we are not involved in searching for employers for our applicants. What we are involved in is helping them process their application for immigration to Canada. These days, most Filipinos who go to Canada go there for economic reasons. They are either temporary workers or immigrants who go there to look for jobs and eventually to settle there as immigrants, as citizens. But we are not involved in looking for an employer for them, but we will help them to a certain degree. Our basic involvement is to help them get to Canada as immigrants. We are involved in the processing of their documents and their application in coordination with the consular offices of Canada.
Yeah. Okay. Anybody could answer, like you said, recruitment basta hindi kayo nagbibigay ng trabaho.
Yes.
Okay. Para lang for the benefits of our viewers, when you say consultation, recruitment, like on my part, kunwari ako gusto ko mag-avail ng services ninyo. When you say recruitment, pupunta ako doon just for consultation only. So there's no promise of giving me a job. Let's put it clear, ha. Basta ang AAMAC na concentration is just for the applicants to go there for consultation, right?
Basically, yes.
Pero you don't promise a job right away. Am I correct?
To put it bluntly, yes, you are correct.
Yeah. Okay. So paano makakatulong ang AAMAC Consultancy sa isang, like for example, sa isang mga taga Ilocos?
Okay. It's a good thing that you asked that question because we want to make that very, very clear to all our potential applicants and audience. The thing is, I'm sure that everyone has heard how open Canada is to immigration these days, and that there are a lot of employment opportunities waiting for successful applicants. But a lot of Filipinos do not really know where to start. How do I go about this application process? What do I do? What documents do I need to prepare? Who are the people who I need to contact?
Yes.
And they're at a loss. They don't know where to start. And that's where we want to be of help. We guide them, we put them on the right path on the immigration process. We tell them where to start and how it ends. Eventually, it ends with them arriving in Canada, having a job there, settling down with their families, and basically, eventually having a better life than what they have here in the Philippines.
So, why are you focusing on Canada lang? Canada, anybody? Sir Francis, bakit sa Canada lang tayo nagfo-focus?
Well, Canada is a big mass of land. People there, the density is very scarce. And they are in need of some immigrants to fill up the vacancy of technical, scientific, or professional jobs awaiting right there in Canada. In Canada, they have a system of putting men in the right place for the right job. It is under the law in Canada. So, with my experience, I've been there 4 times. And I see that Filipinos in the community, they group together and they're very happy. No, I've never seen one that's jobless except when they are retired like me.
Okay. Like, is mahirap ba talaga kumuha ng trabaho sa Canada pag hindi siya immigrant, Dr.?
No, as a matter of fact, a lot of our kababayans go to Canada as live-in caregivers. Live-in caregivers do not go there as immigrants. They are temporary workers. That means when their contract expires or it's ended anytime between the start and the end of their contract, if it's terminated anytime between for whatever reason, they have no other recourse but to leave Canada. They have to exit. But once you are an immigrant in Canada, you have every right to stay there. You can take all the time you need to look for a job, and you can bring your spouse, your children, even your parents and your grandparents with you if you choose.
Yeah.
And that's the difference between going there as a live-in caregiver, as a temporary worker, compared to immigrants which would include the professional workers we are looking for.
And aside from that, of course, the benefits of a Canadian citizen for having an immigrant visa, medyo ma-avail mo yan. What about the discrimination? Malakas daw ang discrimination sa Canada. Am I correct?
No way. As I said, I have been there several times.
No?
There is no discrimination I have felt among the whites and other colored people. They mingle harmoniously.
And as a matter of fact, they like Filipinos because Filipinos are very hardworking. Compared to other nationalities, Filipinos are very proficient in English. We can communicate very effectively with Canadians.
Yes.
And like I said, very hardworking.
Sige po, Sir Francis, Dr. Elise, dyan muna kayo. Mamaya, pagpabalik po ng Let's Talk, makakasama naman natin si Mr. Manny Balanza to talk more about bakit dito nila napili sa vegan. Yan po sa pagbabalik ng Let's Talk.